Let us understand the step-by-step process of using the Terms Master form in StrategicERP. Navigate to the Terms Master form under the Purchase Management module. You can define the terms and conditions using two methods: Terms Master Details and Terms and Conditions method. Enter the terms group name to create new terms and conditions. Under the Terms and Master Details tab, enter the term parameters and detailed description of terms and conditions. You can click on the plus sign to add multiple line of items. To remove terms and conditions under the entered term group name, select one or multiple lines of items and click the minus icon. To skip creating terms and conditions under the Terms Master group, directly enter or copy-paste the required terms and conditions. Click on Design Terms and Conditions. Modify the terms and conditions as needed, then click Save. Once done, save the data so it will be stored in draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. The process of using the Terms Master form is now complete.